Hello, this is Subash. Today I am going to unbox the Ultima 20K Pro Power Bank and we are going to see what are the things inside the box. So in this video I am going to share everything detailed way. So be continue with this video. Firstly, we need to remove the cover of this box. So after removing cover, then we need to open this box. Then after it's nothing inside this. Then after just take it properly, remove from here. Then after you can see that this is power bank. This is power bank, and then after this is instruction box. Its name is Boost 20K Pro Power Bank. So its instruction, what type of facilities are inside this power bank. So you can read this in two languages. So they are not necessary for this product. And this one is the Ultima Army. It is a it is a sticker, so we can use this one for sticker. When you remove from it, then you get easily, and so you can put anywhere in your power bank. I just put it here, Ultima Army. Now it's make the good style of this power bank. Then after you get one data cable. It is data cable for charging. We can use this for charging. And then after, so I'm going to, okay, that's this much only inside the box. So when I press, it is already 100% charge, so I don't need to do the charge. And these are the two things inside the box. And talking about its feature, like it is brand is Ultima Lifestyle Commodity Boost 20K Pro, and net quantity 1 unit. Then after import and max price by Kanha Electricity Private Limited. And then after address in Technica, Tahachal 13 Kathmandu, Nepal. Then after these are the basics description of the shop. And then after you can see it is made from China. It is originated in China, and color is black. So, and then after you can see this box is it is a 22.5 watt charger. So it is a 20. The capacity of this power bank is 22.5 watt, and it has a 20,000 megawatt battery. So these are the things. Talking about its price, I was ordering from the Daraj. So this is the Daraj bill, and actually the cost of this product is 2,089. It is included in shipping cost and the cost of this product. These are the this is included with the shipping charge. And then after in original bill you can also see The price of this project is actually 2034.1551, but I was get actually price of this is 2299 rupees, but I was purchased from this price 2034.51 because there's some voucher option and some discount option. So at that time I was buying this product, and then after, it's a cool amazing gadget, and it is a mm, good product. So these are the things inside the box. That's mainly there's only two box that is inside the box, you can see here. So these are the products of Ultima 20K Boost Pro Power Bank. You understand about this video, and it is a good way to guide you what are the things inside the Ultima 20K Pro Power Bank. So thank you for watching our video.